And it's part 2, and it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I am quickly trying to finish something before the paint dries and get my colors right and drag a few things. And I still want to play with chain, which I mentioned in part 1. And basically right now all I'm doing is dragging a spatula up and down through the paint and scraping off whatever I get to cover my edges, because they're 2 inches wide and they need some coverage. Also trying not to completely ruin my new paint skirt, but it's pointless. It's gonna join the museum of stiff clothing shortly. Alright, so I can just keep doing that. I'm kind of tempted to blow some things with my medical tubing out. Usually when the white paint is on the background and things are nice and damp, it helps create nice lines. I'm so still very tempted to throw some chain in there. I'm gonna have to do it. You know I am. And I'm not sure what's gonna happen at that point. It's not really what I expected, but it's okay. It's not what I expected either. Yeah, that made sense. I can see I have some paint drying, and if I don't move quickly, I won't get my chain chance, my chain op. Yeah, that was different. My chain op. Alright, so I like that pink, and I need something over here. I haven't added any spirals, and I haven't been waggling much, but I certainly can waggle. Waggle, I can't twerk, but I can waggle with the best of them. Somebody's going to hear me having said that. No, not a twerker. Oh well, maybe in my next life. Okay, so now I have to look at this while I have time, and I haven't put too many bottles in my way, and decide if I can still pull anything or not. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of white paint left there that I can pull. I did just cut some chain this morning. I'm very tempted to have a go while the paint is still thick down here. I kind of love how the chain blends things. Even though you would expect it to be completely muddy, it isn't necessarily so. And the copper would confuse anybody anyway, because it looks automatically muddy. Well, that's cool. That's not working out too badly. I like that better when it has an actual circle in the center of it. I suppose if I'm fortunate and there's enough paint left caught in the chain, I might be able to, that was cool, I want to do more of that. I sometimes think I should be adding snails, snails to the snail shells. can I? Let that paint drip. Drag it up that way. Maybe, maybe not. Can I steal a little paint and fake it from somewhere, please? Maybe just a little bit of that color right in there. Oh well. I haven't tried any spirals anywhere other than the spirals that you're seeing. Maybe it's time. Well, I still have some wet paint to play with. A few here and there won't hurt anything. Kind of want to use some more chain. I also kind of want to fix that. Whether I actually fixed it or made it worse is... No, I think it's good. I can actually dot some things if I wanted to, and I'm not sure I do or if I don't. I'd like to be able to drag a little bit more of that white around. But it looks like I'm getting to the point where I can't do much without causing damage. And that was lucky. That didn't blow into the art. Cool. Well, whatever it is, I think it might be what it is, just because we don't have any more, and things are going everywhere. There's a stiff breeze today. My shovel's going in the bucket, and I'm going to be touching stuff up for a little while, but that was kind of fun, and boy, I really just want to have some more fun, but I don't know if I'm going to be allowed. Because like I said, as soon as this white background paint seems weird there's no gold or green gold in there, but that's okay. I like that purple so much, I want some more of it. And then maybe I can use some going over the side too. Perfect. Sort of perfect. Good enough. I like this up here, but I want some more purple in there as well. Taking lots of chances. Sticky white paint. I'm like pouncing my dots and imagining their seeds. Yeah, I like that. I could very easily be happy adding some green too. Oh, shout out to Martha Stewart again, who's eventually going to make us a turntable we can use. Please, Martha, please, please, please. Hear me? For all the people who want to do this. Take that, put it right over. I think I'm pretty good with my edges. I think that was good. Just stealing a little paint. So that's not terrible. I kind of like it. Come on. I've got 4 minutes left. I feel like stealing paint everywhere I can take it from. Creating a few strange textures. Because I can, the name of my book on the Amazon link. I know, I've been kind of quiet this time because I'm not sure how long I'm going to get away with working in the sticky white paint. Gotta be careful of dropping your skewer. That was on purpose, but it was risky. Just sort of turning that all the way up, creating my own wet spot. So I can work with what I've got left. Ooh, I found some to steal. Where do I want to put it? Yes, I like adding a little new texture. I never did get out the fork. I could still do that. Right straight up through. Because I can. I tend to be contrary. I don't want to go too much further. I know. We've heard that before. Steal a little paint. Right over there. I think I want some of that blue. Right there. That might have been one line too many, but it also might be perfect in a second when I finally get it the way I want it to go. Yeah, I think that's okay. I think tomorrow's going to be edge day. And I see, what do I see? I see I want something here. Yes, exactly. Lots of focus. Alright, I haven't torched for a while actually. And I had a couple bubbles in a painting the other day, so I think it would be a very good idea for me to be a good girl and do that. Right after I do that. Because I can! Yeah, my paint is setting up so fast now. Everything is risky. Wow. I used up another 17 minutes. Let's torch. Whatever else I want to do to this, I can do later on or tomorrow. I can't imagine the torch is going to do much of anything right now. I thought that was a weed. I really thought that was something that had fallen in to the painting. So I love you guys. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you to find the OXO omelet turning spatulas, the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, the gold mica powder that I will give you the recipe for if you ask me. My book is called Because I Can. It's an ebook as well as a soft cover. If you buy the ebook, if you buy the soft cover, you have access to the ebook for another $3. My editor said tell them. So this is me doing my due diligence. I do sell my artwork. If you guys are interested in something, just contact me and I'll get right back to you if you leave me a message on YouTube. And I think I like that so much I'm going to do it again. And maybe again. And this time I'm going to take that paint that I just stole and finish that line up there. Alright. I love you guys. Hope to see you again. There's 520 videos in the end screens at the end of this video. If you are interested or inclined to watch more of my artwork, there's a lot to see. There's also my website there in case you're interested. And what am I missing? I have PayPal and Patreon for donators to the studio, and if you donate, you are involved in this month's contest. I will send you a notification of that. And underneath the video I have the paint pouring recipe description. And and what else? There's too much stuff. I love you guys' comments, and thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting in the past. And please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps the placement of my videos on YouTube, and the longer you watch, the better it helps me. So thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I just had to, because I can. You know me. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.